Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange, a leading crypto trading platform. What a dramatic recovery today in the markets. Yesterday, the Nifty fell 250 point and today it shot up 200 point. In the last half an hour, it fell 100 point. And you may remember the day before yesterday also, Nifty fell 150 point in the morning, recovered 200 point in the afternoon. So, such a huge volatile market. But if you can remember whatever I have spoken in the pre-market report today, that has exactly happened. So, let us look one by one. Number one, I said in the past many months, what happened in Indian markets, the first trading session of the expiry, Nifty rallied big, and then after that, the Nifty has never broken that particular day's low for the rest of the series. So, this is what has happened for so many months in the past. In fact, in September series also, the same thing happened. So, today again Nifty rallied very big, a 200 point shot up, and in the last half an hour there was a profit booking. Nifty fell 100 point. So, that is expected. That's because Monday is a Indian holiday, not a global holiday, and especially the US debt ceiling issue. If something nasty surprise comes on Tuesday, there can be a very big gap down. So, due to this fear, the traders will not like to carry positions over the longer weekend and that too the event weekend. So, that's why there was some profit booking. Otherwise, even on a closing basis, Nifty closed significantly higher. So, today's low was 19,551 Nifty. So, we need to see whether this level is broken for the rest of the series or not. So, if the trend has to continue, Nifty should not break this level in this series. That's number one. And number two, if any expiry is very bad and the following day, first trading session of the next series, usually Nifty rallies. So, yesterday, the September expiry, Nifty fell 250 points, but today it has rallied. So, that has also happened. And third thing, looking at the open interest, I told you yesterday for the October series, the 19,500 put option had the highest open interest, but there was hardly any call rating. So, remember 19,500 is supposed to be at the money for this series. So, September series also same thing happened. Nifty was trading around 19,200 and 19,000 put had the highest open interest, but there was hardly any call rating, and you know what happened? The Nifty rallied very big for the next 2 weeks. So, a similar setup was seen yesterday also. 19,500, nearly 6 million contracts were there, but call rating, there was not even half of that. So, the Nifty rallied and all those who sold 19.5 put option yesterday, they have made very good profit. So, markets today behaved on an expected line, but again remember technically Nifty is still not bullish, it is still bearish. And the Nifty once again could not close above 19,740. On the way down, 19,740 should not have broken. If that is breaking, then market become bearish. So, this is what I told you earlier. So, once that 19,740 was broken on the downside, market has become bearish. That 19,740 support will become a resistance now. So, after breaking 19,740, not even a single day Nifty could close above 19,740. So, again the major trend is still on the downside and bearish, and until Nifty closes above 19,740. But the things are looking up. Today also FIIs have sold for about 1,700 crores, but the domestic institutions have bought for 2,700 crore. So, domestic institution buying was way ahead of FII selling. And US markets also, yesterday they rallied, and today also one data called PCE data, personal consumption expenditure data, which is what Fed will be tracking for inflation data. So that came much better than expected. So the US futures are higher now also. So we need to see where the US market is going to close today. So accordingly, if there is any positive sign with relates to this US debt ceiling, then Monday US markets can rally and Tuesday we can gap up. So anyway, so those things we will discuss during Dalal Street Week Ahead program on Sunday. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.